Welcome. In this video we are going to learn hiding files using Stealth Files tool. Stealth File uses a process called stenography to hide any file inside of another file. It is an alternative to encryption of files. The Windows NT/NTFS file system has a feature that is not well documented and is known to many NT developers and most users. A stream is a hidden file that is linked to a normal file. A stream is not limited in size and there can be more than one stream linked to a normal file. Streams can have any name that compiles with NTFS naming convention. In order to be an expert ethical hacker and penetration tester, you must understand how to hide files using the Stealth Files tool. In this video, we will see how to find files inside of other files using the Stealth Files tool. The objective of this video is to teach students how to hide files using Stealth Files tool. Use the Stealth Files tool. Hide files. Stealth Files use a process called stenography to use any files inside of another. It is an alternative to encryption of files because no one can decrypt the encrypted information or data from these files unless they know that the hidden files exist. Let's open a browser and search Stealth Files free download. Click on Stealth Files 4.0 free download. Click on download button. Downloading is started here. Downloading is done and install. Installation of exe files. As you know it how to do it, so I'll just fast forward it. Once you install, open up Stealth Files tool. Launch the Start menu by hovering the mouse cursor on the lower left corner of the desktop. Start Stealth Files. Click the Stealth Files 4.0 app to open the Stealth File window. Here you can see that main window of Stealth Files app. Before Stealth Files hides a file, it compresses it and encrypts it with a password. Then you must select a carrier file, which is a file that contains the hidden files. Now click Hide Files to start the process of hiding the files. Click Add Files. Here I am adding clc.exe from Windows System 32 clc.exe. In desktop, I am creating a text file as amit.txt. Choose the carrier file and add file amit.txt from the desktop. Choose a password such as magic. You can type any desired password. Click Hide Files. Here you can see that it will hide the file clc.exe inside the amit.txt located on the desktop. When you are ready to recover your hidden files, simply open them up with the Stealth Files, and if you give the carrier file a password, you will prompt it to enter it again to recover these hidden files. Open the notepad and check the file clc.exe is copied inside it. Now open the Stealth Files control panel and click Retrieve Files. Choose the title from desktop in which you have saved the clc.exe. Choose the path to store the retrieved hidden file. In the video, the path is desktop. Enter the password magic and click on Retrieve Files. Here you can see that the retrieved file is stored on the desktop. You can open and run it. So that's it in this video on hiding files using Stealth Files tool. Thank you for watching this video.